one thing, it's another. Right, this brace here, a bolt has to go through this slot and through this, which swings down to there. And this hole is not lining up with that slot. So I'm now going to see if I can move this bracket. And it looks like there's a possibility I might be able to pivot this up a bit, which I have to do. If not, this does not go on there. If there ain't one thing in their way, it's another. Now this ridge is blocking the head of that bolt from being able to take the right angle. It looked so easy in the video. Oh, my back's going, baby. My back's going. We don't got much longer here. There's going to be a bitch getting the top end in. Oh, man, my back is gone. It is gone, baby. You gotta put this bottom one on first. Get it through. And put the nut on it. Because you just can't get it in place. Okay, so the bottom bolt has to go on first. Because you just can't get the bolt in there with the bracket without sticking it through before you slide the rotor into place, or the alternator into place. This is going to be tricky because now that bottom bolt is holding this higher than it wants to be. I use this smaller bolt to feel in here and see how aligned the hole of this is, the hole in that is with the access point. I gotta go up, down, in, out. Now that bottom screw is limiting the movement of this. That's close. Okay. Oh my God. I'm a master. Oh my God. Ah! Woo! Okay, in. Holy good God. Oh. Adjustment screw. Has to go through here and into the head of that bolt to put in before, if I could find it. Okay. All the bolts are in. It's in place. I am incredible. And Now, I'm done because my back is, it's gone. Tomorrow I'll have to tighten that all up and then put this back on, which is the pulley for the other belt, which is this belt. Okay, so yet to come. And those two remaining bolts are for putting that back on. I'm going to do a little post-narration here. Okay, basically down here, under here, there's a two-piece bolt. This goes into the head of another bolt under here. And that bolt has to go in first because this bracket will not let you put it in there if this is already mounted up top end. So you've got to put that bolt and this, the alternator, on at the same time to get them in place. Okay, then you got to get this thing up and get that bolt through there. It slides right through there if it's aligned perfectly. And what I was doing with that extra bolt was I was using it as a small bolt to see how my alignment here was, and then I was able to get the big bolt in. None of these are tight yet. And then you got to get your belt on and put your adjustment screw here in, which I will tighten up to tighten up the belt tomorrow. So that's my new alternator in place. That's 10E, I think. And 10E comes to a stop because the body has gone. The back is gone. It ain't working no more. I'm in extreme pain. So tomorrow we got to put this piece. I don't know what that is. Somebody keeps saying it's power something. Power brakes, power steering, I don't know. Power brakes, because that's going right to the brake thing. Yeah, that's going to be the power brakes. That goes up here, and we had to take that off to get access to the bolts to take this off. It's all access. Everything is access. Access Hollywood. No, Access Honda. Okay. Tires are pumped up, and the engine's cleaned up as best I can. And that's going to do it for today. From Judd, Auto Mechanic. Happy day to you.